Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam and get a chance to get 100% scholarship and cash awards for class 7 to 12. Admissions are open for repeaters medical for NEET 2023.
Technical education and industry come together, then only it helps for the students. As recently, our Director of Technical Education have joined one. We did the two. We had come to one the Plumbing Association of India and the Engineering College and did the had come together to give the practical and training for all the engineering students, and also the FSSAI, the Fire Security and Safety Chapter of India, had joined for agreement with the Engineering College. This is a good exposure for the students in the industrial fields. All the institutes who has come here, they do this type of engagement with the different industry association, and this is a technical world, this is an innovation, and this we are merging towards the new India. Agner Polytechnic is awarded the best polytechnic for this year. So our Director of Technical Education, Sri Vivek Kamath, has also awarded in this function, and other teachers among the technical education in the states. So definitely they'll take the spirit from Vivek Kamath, and they'll definitely play the important role in the technical education.